Welcome to Excel 2U Application Solution Series. In this video, we'll show you our linear cutting solution. Linear cutting is a method of cutting raw materials into smaller pieces based on a pre-planned sequence. Instead of measuring and cutting piece by piece, you plan the cuts in advance to fit as many required lengths as possible from your stock material. First, let's set up our materials, or as I call them, profiles. Here's an example. Oak with a profile length of 700 centimeters and a kerf of 0.4 centimeters. Let's add a few more. Teak, pine, and walnut so you can see how it works with different materials. Next, we head over to the main sheet. This is where you list every cut you need, starting with the profile, cut name, and the length. To speed things up for this demo, we'll auto-populate 100 records. Now for the fun part, just hit Generate List, and the tool instantly figures out the most efficient way to arrange your cuts for each profile. You don't just get a table, you get a full linear cutting sheet plus a diagram for every profile you're cutting. Let's zoom in on the linear cutting sheet for pine. Here's what we've got: the cut name, cut length, which profile number it's from, and the balance or wastage. The list is neatly sorted by profile number, so you can follow the exact cutting sequence. And here's the visual diagram. The x-axis is your profile number, and you can see every cut laid out in order. Each one is clearly labeled with its name and length, so whoever's doing the cutting knows exactly what to do. So there you go, an Excel-based program that turns your cut requirements into an optimized cutting plan, complete with diagrams in just seconds. If you want to get your hands on this tool, or have it customized to fit your exact needs, or if you'd like me to build more Excel automation solutions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And stay tuned because more powerful solutions are coming your way. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss what's next.